Living in Palmetto Bay offers beautiful coastal views, warm weather, and a relaxed South Florida lifestyle. However, it also means facing the reality of hurricane season each year. For homeowners in this area, protecting property and loved ones isn't optional, it's essential. One of the most effective ways to do that is by installing hurricane impact windows. Hurricane impact windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including high winds and flying debris. Unlike standard windows, they are built with multiple layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer. This construction allows the window to remain intact even if it cracks, preventing dangerous shards from scattering and keeping the home sealed against the elements. One of the biggest benefits of impact windows is the protection they provide during a storm. In a hurricane, wind pressure can quickly build inside a home if a window breaks, often leading to catastrophic structural damage, including roof failure. Impact windows act as a strong barrier, helping maintain the integrity of your home even under intense conditions. For families in Palmetto Bay, this added layer of security can make a significant difference during severe weather events. Beyond storm protection, impact windows also offer everyday safety benefits. They are highly resistant to forced entry, making them an effective deterrent against break-ins. The same strength that keeps out hurricane debris also makes it much harder for intruders to gain access. This added security can provide peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Another major advantage is energy efficiency. Palmetto Bay's hot and humid climate often leads to high cooling costs, especially during the summer months. Impact windows help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. Many models also include advanced coatings that block harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter. This means your home stays cooler, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, and you may see noticeable savings on your energy bills. Noise reduction is another feature homeowners often appreciate. Living near busy streets, schools, or coastal activity can mean dealing with constant background noise. Impact windows significantly reduce outside sound, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. This is particularly valuable for families, remote workers, or anyone looking to enjoy a more peaceful home. In addition to their functional benefits, hurricane impact windows can also increase the overall value of your property. Homebuyers in South Florida are well aware of hurricane risks, and many actively look for homes that are already equipped with protective features. Installing impact windows can make your home more attractive on the market and may even help reduce insurance premiums, as many insurers offer discounts for hurricane-resistant upgrades. Convenience is another important factor. Traditional storm preparation often involves installing shutters or boarding up windows, which can be time-consuming and physically demanding. With impact windows, that step is eliminated. Your home is always ready, giving you one less thing to worry about when a storm is approaching. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, hurricane impact windows are more than just an upgrade, they're a smart, long-term investment in safety, comfort, and peace of mind. From protecting against powerful storms to improving energy efficiency and security, these windows provide year-round benefits that go far beyond hurricane season. Choosing to install impact windows means taking proactive steps to safeguard your home and family while enhancing the overall quality of your living space. In a region where severe weather is a part of life, that kind of protection isn't just valuable, it's essential.